Right now, our main project is calling the product API and we can perform all the CRUD operations. But in a real application, it is not good that any user can get in here and modify our products. Only a user with, let's say, admin role can modify the product or delete any of the products. So how do we implement authentication and authorization in our project? If it was just an MVC application, we can use the built-in ASP.NET identity. But here we want to work with microservices, so we need something better. One of the standardized approach with .NET is the Identity Server 4. But with the latest update of Identity Server, they have changed the name to Dundee Software, so we will be going there and we will be implementing the Identity Server 5. Using this for your local host is completely free and you can learn the basic concepts of how Identity Server works. Now setting up an identity server can be a daunting task if you are completely new at that. Because of that, even though this course is not focused on identity server, I will spend some time and show you how to configure identity server from scratch, but we will be using their built-in controllers and views because if we have to write all of those by ourselves, it will be a course by itself. So how do we get started? So first we go to the dundeesoftware.com and we'll go to the documentation. You can see this documentation is for version 5. We will go to the quick starts here and inside the overview tab we have the first command that we have to run for the templates. So we will open up the command prompt window and here we have to change the default path. And here we have to change the directory. So let me go to our application, stop that, and we will open up the folder in File Explorer. We will copy this path. This is the path to our main project solution. So we will use that and we will change the directory using command cd and we will paste the new path. Once you put it down here and the directory changes, we will go back to the website and we will copy the .NET new command for the identity server templates. We will write that and it should display all of the templates that are available. So great, we have lots of templates right here. What we want to work is interactive applications with ASP.NET Core, so we can just click here and we want the UI because we do not want to write the controllers and views by ourselves. So the command for that is right here. So we will copy this line and we will go back and paste that. Once that is done, it would have created an assets folder inside our application. So let's go back here and perfect. You can see it actually created 3 folders here: QuickStart, Views, and www.root. So the www.root folder, we will remove that for now. We will only work ourselves with the QuickStart and the views. If you go inside the QuickStarts, here will be all the controllers, like inside account controller, you will have login, logout, register functionalities, and we have the other controllers right here. So we have our controllers and views, but we still need to create a project that will host the identity server. So for that, inside the services, we will right click, add a new project. We will be adding an ASP.NET Core web application, but with MVC. So we have models, views, and controllers right here. Let's add that. I will change the name here to mango.services.identity. We will be using the .NET 6 and looks good. We will enable the Razor runtime compilation and let's create this. So right now this is just a pure MVC application. We have to configure our identity server in here. The first thing that we can do is we can move all of the controllers inside the controllers folder. So if we go back, we will have the new project here, which is the identity. We will go to our quick start. I will cut everything that you see here. Go back to the identity, controllers, remove the home controller, and we will paste all of the default controllers that we received from quick start. Now I want to make sure that these are not just controller. Here we have models as well. So if you want, you can rename the controllers to main module. That will denote that this is a main module for identity server. Then if we go back, we will remove the QuickStart from here. We have the views folder. I will cut all of the views from here, go back to our identity project inside views. I will just paste all of the views and override if there are any duplicates. Perfect. So with this, we have our controllers, views, and models from the QuickStart integrated inside the identity project. Let me remove the views, and this looks much cleaner. So with this, our identity project is coming in shape. We have quite a few things that we need to configure in our identity server. Let's continue in the next video.